Hello, you are welcome to OJ Online Tutorial Math Class. In this video, we want to find the value of x if 3 raised by x plus 3 raised by x is equals to 30. This is an exponential equation. Now, to do this, let's look at the value of the exponential equation given to us. 3 raised by x plus 3 raised by x equals to 30. Don't make mistake, don't say this is 6 raised by x, that will be wrong. So what you need to do is just let us evaluate as this. We have 3 raised by x. So that will become what? 2 into 3 raised to power x is equal to 30. Because 3 raised by x appears in two places. So with this now, it's just like saying a plus a. That will be 2a. So there will be what? 3 raised by x in two places will be what? 2 into 3 raised by x. So you can now divide both sides by these 2. So by the time you divide both sides by 2, you are going to have what? This will be what? Become what? 3 raised by x is equal to 15. Okay? Because the 2 here, we divide this. The 2 here, we divide this. So if you have what? We have left 3 raised by x equals to what? 15. So now, recall in indices and logarithm. We recall in logarithms and indices that if we have x raised by a is equals to something, let's say it's equals to y. We take logarithm on both sides, taking logarithm of both sides, taking logarithm of both sides, we give what? We give what? A log x is equals to log y. By the time you take log of both sides, you have that. Okay, that means taking what? Log 3 raised by x equals to log 15. That will give us what? That will be what? X log 3 is equals to log 15. Okay? Yes, that implies x log 3 is equals to what? Log 15. So with that, we can also recall also that log AB is equals to what? Log A plus log B. I still remember that as well. This is another interesting, law of logarithm. Let's continue by cleaning. Let's clean this. Okay. So that implies that we can have what? Let's clean everything. So that implies we can have what? We can have what? X log 3 is equals to, this log 15 can be changed to what? Log 3 times 5. Okay? So with this law, you can now have x log 3 is equals to what? Log 3 plus log 5. Now, how do we get x here? Just divide both sides by what? Log 3. That is, x log 3 over log 3 is equals to log 3 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3. So log 3 here, we cancel log 3 here. So you have what? X is equals to log 3 over log 3 plus log 5 all over log 3. Okay? So with that, you can have what? You can have what? X is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 3. And we can rewrite log 5 over log 3 as, like, for example, recall, we can write log b over log a can be written as what? Log b base a. So in this case, our x cannot what? We have x now could be equals to what? 1 plus log 5 base 3. So that's the value of our x. But for us to know that we have gotten the correct answer, let's check. Let's check what we have done. Let's check. Okay? To check. The question says that 3 raised power x plus, that is the question. Let's write this. 3 raised power x plus 3 raised power x is equal to 30. Now, let's check what we have gotten, whether it's going to give us 30. So now 3, our x is what? 1 plus log 5 base 3, that is 3 raised power 1 plus log 5 base 3, plus 3 raised power 1 plus log 5 base 3. Let's check whether it's going to be what? 30. I want to check. Okay? Check. Now, so by the time we expand this, we have what? 3 raised power 1, dots. Because in indices, when you have powers like this, it means you are multiplying. So 3 log 5 base 3, then plus 3 raised power 1, that is 3 raised power 1, dot, that is multiplying by 3 log 5 base 3. So you have what? 3, then multiply by, dot means multiplying. This 3, when it's cancelled this base, you have 5 left, plus 3 raised power 1, multiply 3, cancelling this base, we have 5 left also. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus another 15, which is what? It is 30. Wow. So the answer is correct. So that means our x is 1 plus log 5 base 3. So with this, we have come to the end of this amazing exponential problem.